Sentence patterns. Mr. Miller can read kanji. Mira-san wa kanji o yomu koto ga dekimasu. Mira-san refers to Mr. Miller. Wa is the topic marker. Kanji o yomu means to read kanji. Koto ga dekimasu means can do. My hobby is watching films. Watashi no shomi wa eiga o meru koto desu. Watashi no means my. Shumi means hobby. Wa is the topic marker. Eiga o meru koto means watching films. Des is the verb to be. I write in my diary before I go to bed. Neru maini nikki ni kakimasu. Neru maini means before I go to bed. Nikki ni means in my diary. Kakimasu means to write. Can you ski? Ski ga dekimasu ka? Hai, dekimasu. Demo amare jouzu ja arimasen. Ski means ski. Ga dekimasu ka means can you do? Hai means yes. Demo means but. Amari juzu ja arimasen means not very good at it. Can you use a personal computer, Miss Maria? Maria-san wa pasoko no tsukaimasu ka? Iie, tsukaimasen. Maria-san refers to Miss Maria. Pasokon means personal computer. O tsukaimasu ka means can use. Iie means no. Tsukaimasen means can't use. Until what time can we visit Osaka Castle? Nanji made Osaka Ju ni ikimasu ka? 5 made aitimasu. Nanji made means until what time? Osaka Ju means Osaka Castle. Ni ikimasu ka means can visit. 5 made means until 5 o'clock. Aiteimasu means is open. Can I pay by credit card? これジェットカードで払ってもいいですか？すみません。現金でお願いします。これジェットカード means credit card. で払ってもいいですか means can pay with. すみません means sorry. 現金 means cash. でお願いします means please. What is your hobby? 趣味は何ですか？古時計と時計のコレクションです。趣味 means hobby. は何ですか means what is. 古時計 means old clocks. 時計 means watches. No collection means collection. Must Japanese children learn hiragana before they enter school? 日本の子供は学校に入る前にひらがなを学ばなければなりませんか？いえ、必要はありません。日本の子供 means Japanese children. は学校に入る前に means before they enter school. Hiragana o manaba na kereba narimasin ka means must learn hiragana. Iye means no. Hitsuyu wa arimasen means need not. Please take this medicine before meals. Shukuji no mae ni kono kusori o nonde kudasai. Hai, nomimasu. Shukuji no mae ni means before meals. Kono kusori means this medicine. O nonde kudasai means please take. Hai means yes. Nomimasu means will take. When did you get married? Itsu kekkon shimashita ka? 3年前に結婚しました。Itsu means when. 結婚しましたか means did you get married? 3年前に means 3 years ago. 結婚しました means get married. Conversation. What is your hobby? What is your hobby, Mr. Santos? Santos-sanの趣味は何ですか？ Photography. 写真です。What kind of photos do you take? どんな写真を撮りますか? Photos of animals. I like those of horses especially. 動物の写真です。特に馬の写真が好きです。Oh, that's interesting. Have you taken photos of horses since you came to Japan? それは面白いですね。日本に来てから馬の写真を撮りましたか? No, you can hardly ever see horses in Japan. いえ、日本では馬はめったに見えないです。There is a lot of pasture land for horses in Hokkaido. 北海道には馬のパスタランがたくさんあります。Really? Then I would really like to go there on summer vacation. 本当ですか? それなら夏休みにそこに行きたいです。Actions. Fly. Tubo. Tubo means to fly as depicted by the person with a hang glider. Jump. Tubo. Tubo means to jump, shown by the person jumping into the water. Climb. Noburu. Noburu means to climb, demonstrated by the person climbing a rope. Run. Hashiru. Hashiru means to run, illustrated by the person running. Swim. Uyugu. Uyugu means to swim, depicted by the person swimming. Dive. Moguru. Moguru means to dive, shown by the person diving underwater. Dive into. Tobikumo. Tobikumo means to dive into, demonstrated by the person diving into the pool. Stand upside down. Sakadachi suru. Sakadachi suru means to stand upside down, shown by the person doing a handstand. Crawl. How means to crawl, illustrated by the person crawling on the ground. Kick. Keru. Keru means to kick, depicted by the person kicking a ball. Wave. Furu. Furu means to wave, shown by the person waving their hand. Lift. Mochiageru. Mochiageru means to lift, demonstrated by the person lifting a car. Throw. Nageru. Nageru means to throw, depicted by the person throwing a ball. Pat. Tataku. Tataku means to pat, shown by the person patting another person on the back. Pull. Hiku. Hiku means to pull, illustrated by the people pulling a rope in a tug of war. Push. Usu. Usu means to push, depicted by the person pushing a stroller. Bend. Mageru. Mageru means to bend, shown by the person bending their knee. Extend. Nabasu. Nabasu means to extend, illustrated by the person extending their leg. Fall down. Kurubu. Kurubu means to fall down, depicted by the person falling. Look back. Furimuku. Furimuku means to look back, shown by the person looking over their shoulder. Actions. Fly, jump, climb, run, swim, dive, dive into, stand upside down, crawl, kick, wave, lift, throw, pat, pull, push, bend, extend, fall down, look back. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe Japanese Learning Hub for more tips and lessons. See you next time. Mata ne!